Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add hover interactions in Wix. Hover effects are a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and engaging for visitors. They provide immediate visual feedback when someone interacts with an element, making the user experience smoother and more intuitive. We'll explore the simple, built-in tools Wix provides, allowing you to customize colors, sizes, and even animations with just a few clicks. Get ready to transform your site's interactivity. To add a basic hover effect, first select the element you want to modify directly on your Wix page. Then, head over to the Design panel, usually found on the left side of your editor. Within this panel, you'll find an option to switch to the hover state. Here, you can adjust properties such as the background color, border, or shadow. Remember to preview your site to see your new hover effect in action and ensure it looks exactly as you envisioned. For more advanced and custom hover interactions, Velo by Wix is your powerful tool. Velo allows you to write code that defines precise actions when a mouse enters or leaves an element. This opens up possibilities for dynamic content changes, like displaying additional information or triggering multi-element animations. You can create truly unique transitions and interactions that go beyond the standard built-in options, giving your site a professional and highly customized feel. When implementing hover effects, always prioritize user experience. Keep your effects subtle and purposeful. They should enhance, not distract. It's also crucial to consider accessibility, ensuring that users on touch devices or with different input methods can still access the information. Always test your hover interactions across various devices and screen sizes to guarantee a consistent experience. Finally, avoid overusing animations to prevent your site from feeling cluttered or overwhelming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.